What is given 6 is to x means let the quantity of milk is 6x and the quantity of water is x. For adding 5 liters of water, the ratio becomes 7:2 means 6x divided by x plus 5 is equal to 7/2. If x is the distance between the college and the home, the time taken by him to reach is 4 kilometers and 5 kilometers. So time taken at 4 kilometers per hour is x by 4. Time taken at 5 kilometers per hour is x by 5 kilometers per hour. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So in my previous class we have discussed regarding the problems on a mixture as well as the problems based on the time and the distance. Today also I will take few more problems based on the mixture, as well as the time and the distances. Now let us take a first problem. These are all very important for the point of examination. You may expect one question for either for 3 marks or 5 marks. So a mixture contain milk and water. So a mixture contain milk and water in the ratio 6:1. So milk and water in the ratio 6:1. By adding 5 liters of water, the ratio of milk and the water becomes 7:2. Find the quantity of milk in the original mixture. So a mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 6:1. And adding 5 liters of water, the ratio of the milk and the water becomes 7:2. Find the quantity of milk in the original mixture. Right. Now let the quantity of milk be 5, 6 and the quantity of water is x. Let the quantity of milk be 6x and quantity of water be x. So what is given 6 is to x means let the quantity of milk is 6x and the quantity of water is x. Now just by adding 5 liters of water, now what we are going to add? Only 5 liters of water. Then this mixture becomes 6x divided by x plus 5 is equal to 7/2. This is the given equation. Now just cross multiply and simply we will get the answer. That's it. 6 2s are 12x is equal to 7 into x plus 5. That is 12x is equal to 7 into x plus 5. 12x is equal to 7x plus 35. 12x minus 7x is equal to 35. 12 minus 7 is 5x is equal to 35. X is equal to 35 divided by 5. So that's equal to 7. 7 5s are 35. So therefore x is equal to 7. Right. That means, so therefore the quantity of milk, what is the quantity of milk we have taken? 6x, that is 6 into 7, that's equal to 42. That's all. The quantity of milk is 42. 42 means here it is, the unit is liters, 42 liters. That's it. The quantity of milk is 42 liters. Right, that's it. Okay. Very simple problems here. Let me explain once again. So a mixture containing milk and water in the ratio 6:1 and adding 5 liters of water, the ratio of milk and water becomes 7:2. Find the quantity of milk in the original mixture. So let us assume let the quantity of milk be 6x and the quantity of water is x. By adding 5 liters of water, the ratio becomes 7:2 means 6x divided by x plus 5 is equal to 7/2. So then cross multiplied, 6 into 2 is 12x is equal to 7 into x plus 5, that is 7x plus 35. 12x minus 7x is 35. So 5x is equal to 35 means x is equal to 35 divided by 5 is 7. So x is equal to 7 means the original quantity of milk, is 6 into 7 is 42 liters. The quantity of milk is 42 liters. Now move on to the next problem. Yes, walking 4 kilometers, a student reaches his college 5 minutes late. By walking, a student reaches 5 minutes late. So what is the speed? 4 kilometers per hour. So by walking 4 kilometers per hour, a student reaches his college 5 minutes late. And if he walk at 5 kilometers, he reaches is 2.5 minutes early. So he will reaches 2.5 minutes early, 2.5 minutes early. What is the distance from his house to the college? Just by walking at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour, a student reaches his college 5 minutes late. Suppose if he walks 5 kilometers per hour, if he increases his speed, then he will be early. He will reach the college 2.5 hours, 2.5 minutes. That means 2.5 minutes before the required time. Then we have to find out what is the distance between his house and the college. The distance is to be determined, right? Now let us represent the distance. Let x be the distance between his home and the college. Suppose if x is the distance between the home and the college, Now, on walking 4 kilometers per hour, so a student reaches the college 5 minutes late. So, here by walking 4 kilometers per hour, the time taken is equal to x divided by 4, right? By walking 4 kilometers per hour, the time taken is equal to x by 4 kilometers per hour, right? Okay. Similarly, time taken to cover, so he walks, that is at 5 kilometers. So 5 kilometers per hour means the time taken by him is equal to x divided by 5 kilometers per hour. These are the given condition. So if x is the distance between the college and the home, the time taken by him to reach is 4 kilometers and 5 kilometers. So time taken at 4 kilometers per hour is x by 4. Time taken at 5 kilometers per hour is x by 5 kilometers per hour. Now given condition, what is the given condition? According to the given condition, so walking 5 kilometers, a student reaches the college 5 minutes late, and by walking 5 kilometers per hour, he will reaches early 2.5 minutes. So this is the given condition. So therefore, given that the given condition is x by 4 minus, he will reach us 5 minutes late, 5 by 60, okay, is equal to x by 5 plus 2.5 divided by 60. This is the given condition. So just by walking at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour, he will reach us 5 minutes late. That can be written as x by 4 minus 5 by 60. By walking at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour, he will reach us 2.5 minutes early. Therefore, x by 5 plus 2.5 divided by 60. This is the given condition. Now simplify this. This can run as x by 4 minus 5 by 60 is equal to x divided by 5 plus 2.5. Nothing but 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 2. Bring this to the denominator. 5 divided by 60 into 2 is 120. Take LCM and simplify. That's it. So now just transfer this. X by 4 minus x by 5 is equal to 5 by 120 minus becomes plus 5 by 60. Take LCM and simplify. So let me go to the next page. That is x divided by 4 minus x divided by 5 is equal to 5 by 120 plus 5 by 60. Now here 5 4s are 20 is the LCM. 5 into x is 5x minus 4x. Here 120 is the LCM. 120 gets cancelled. 5. So if you divide 120 by 60, it will get cancelled by 2 times. 5 2s are 10. So 5x minus 4x is x divided by 20 is equal to 15 divided by 120. Cross multiply it. 120x is equal to 15 into 20. Therefore, x is equal to 15 into 20 divided by 120. What is this equal to? 26. Again 15 by 6. 15 by 6. What is this equal to? 6 2s are 12. And what is remaining is 3. 30. 6 5s are 30. So that is x is equal to 2.5. So that means the distance from the college to home is 2.5 kilometer. Therefore, the distance between college and his home is 2.5 kilometers. 2.5 kilometers. That's it. Very simple problem, very important problem. Okay. So here very simple. Let x be the distance between the home and college. 4 kilometers. So when suppose if it travels at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour, he will be late by 5 minutes. And if he travels at a rate of 5 kilometers per hour, he will reach us 2.5 minutes early. So let the time taken to cover 4 kilometers is x by 4 and the time taken to cover 5 kilometers is x by 5 according to the given condition. If it is late means minus, if it is early means plus. X by 4 minus 5 by 60 is equal to x by 5 plus 2.5 by 60. 2.5 is nothing but 5 by 2. Bring this to the denominator, 120. So transfer this, x by 4 minus 5 by x is equal to 5 by 120 plus 5 by 60. So that is taking LCM. 20 is the LCM. 5x minus 4x is equal to 120 is LCM. 120 cancels. 5 into 1 is 5. So if you divide 120 by 60, 2 times it gets cancelled. 5 2 is 10. 5x minus x is x by 5x minus 4x is x by 20. 15 by 120 cross multiply. X is equal to 15 into 20 divided by 120, that is 5 by 6, that's equal to 2.5 kilometers. So the distance between his home and the college is 2.5 kilometers. That's it, very important. Now move on to the next problem. In a fort, there was ration for 560 soldiers. So in a fort, there was a ration of 560 soldiers that would last the soldiers for 70 days. After 20 days, 60 soldiers left the fort. For how many days the remaining ration can we support the remaining soldiers? So first find out the remaining soldiers. Remaining soldiers is equal to, originally there were 560, 60 left, that's equal to 500 soldiers were there. So the remaining soldiers were 500. Okay. And similarly find out the remaining days. How many days? Remaining days, originally there were 70, but so 60 days was, yes, 70 days. After 20 days, minus 20, that means 50 days. So 500 soldiers and 50 days. Okay. Now, soldiers, how many were there? 6 soldiers and number of days. Initially there were 560 soldiers and the number of days are reduced to 50. Right. Okay. Now, the number of soldiers reduces to 500. The number of x, we want to calculate it as x. X is the number of days. Okay. So this is an inversely proportional ratio. So this can be written as, this is an inversely proportional. So therefore this can be written as 560 is to 500 is equal to x is to 50. That's it. Now simplify this. Now what is x is equal to? Therefore, now this can be written as 560. 560 into 50 is equal to 500 into x. So that is 500 into x is equal to 560 into 50. Now therefore x is equal to 560 into 50 divided by 500. So it gets cancelled, 5 tens up. So x is equal to 560 divided by 10, that's equal to 56. X is equal to 56. That's it. Okay. So that means the food will be lost for 56 days for the remaining soldier. So the food will be lost for 56 days. How many days? 56 days for the remaining soldier. So for remaining soldier, the food will be lost for 56 days. Move on to the next problem. The next problem is a railway train 100 meters long is running at the speed of 30 kilometers per hour. So a railway train 100 meters, the distance is given 100 meters long is running at the speed is given. What is the speed? 30 kilometers per hour, kmph. In what time will it passes a man standing near the line and the bridge of 100 meters long? So you have to calculate a man standing near the train. So in what time it will passes a man who is standing near a line, and the second one, it will passes a bridge of 100 meters long. Now first find out what is given here. So just write down the given conditions. Now what is given? The distance d is equal to given distance t is equal to 100 meters, and the speed, what is the speed given? Speed is equal to 30 kilometers per hour. These are the two conditions are given, right? Given the distance traveled is 100 meters and the speed is equal to 30 kmph. Now let us move on to the first one. A man standing near the train, what is the time taken in what time? So the time taken, time t is equal to time taken if a man standing near the line. So therefore the time is equal to distance traveled divided by the speed here. Distance divided by the speed. Okay, distance by the speed. Now first convert the speed to meters per second. So therefore the speed is equal to speed 30 kilometers per hour is equal to 30 into 5 divided by 18. Now just calculate the speed. Speed 30 kilometers per hour, convert into meters per second. 30 into 5 divided by 80. Just divide by, if you divide by 3, yes, 3 6 are, 3 10s are. Again, if you divide by 2, so 2 3s are, again 2 5s are, that's equal to 25 divided by 3. So the speed is equal to 25 divided by 3. Substitute here. Therefore, the first answer, the time taken t is equal to distance. Distance is 100 meters divided by time 25 by 3 meters per second. So what is this equal to? 25, this goes to the numerator. Yes, 25 4s are 4 into 3, that's equal to 12. So the time taken is equal to 12 seconds. That's it. That is the first answer. Okay. That's it. See here, very simple. So the time is equal to distance by speed. Now just calculate the speed 30 kilometers per hour into meters per second. 30 into 5 divided by 18, that's equal to 25 by 3. Therefore the time taken is equal to distance is 100 meters divided by the speed is nothing but 25 by 3. So that's equal to divided 25 4 is 100, 4 into 3 is 12. So 12 seconds. So the man standing near the line, so the train will travels in what time it will passes means just it will passes in 12 seconds. Now the condition number 2. So a bridge of 100 meters long. Okay. Now second condition. Second condition, bridge of 100 meters long. So since the length, yes, the length of the bridge is 100 meters long, therefore the distance is equal to 100 plus 100, that's equal to 200 is a distance. 200 is a distance. Hence that therefore the time t is equal to, what is the formula for time? Distance traveled by the speed. So this is equal to, distance traveled is 200. 200 into 8 divided by same 30 into 5. That's it. What is this equal to? So this is equal to 5 4s are, right. 5 into 40 is 200. Again you can cancel 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 4 into 3 6 are 18. 6 4s are 24 seconds. So therefore the time t is equal to 24 seconds for, so to cross a bridge of 100 meters long. That's it. See here, in the first case, the time taken is equal to 100 into 3 divided by 25, that's equal to 12 seconds. In the second case, it will travel a distance of 100 plus 100, 200. So therefore, the time taken is equal to 200 meters into 18 divided by 30 into 5, that's equal to 6 4s are 24 seconds. So to travel a distance of 100 meters, it will take 12 seconds. For 200 meters, it is 24 seconds. That's it. Now move on to the next problem. Problem number 5. This is also very important. And these problems are from the exercise of the textbook. Very important for the point of examination for 5 marks. The driver of a car is traveling at a speed of 36 kilometers per hour and spots a bus 80 meters ahead of him. So he will spot a bus at 80 meters ahead of him. After 1 hour, the bus is 120 meters behind the car. What is the speed of the bus? Very simple problem and important. The driver of a car is traveling at a speed. Initially, the speed of a car is 36 kilometers per hour. And he just spots a bus 80 meters ahead of him, 80 meters. After 1 hour, the bus is 120 meters behind the car. What is the speed of the bus? The speed of the bus is to be determined here, right? Now, what is given the speed? Let the speed of car is equal to 36 kilometers per hour. Speed of the car is 36 kmph, right? Now let us assume the speed of the bus. Speed of bus is equal to x kilometers per hour. So the speed of the car is given. What is required to find is the speed of the bus. Assume that the speed of the bus is x kilometers per hour. X kilometers per hour is the speed of the bus. Now what is the relative speed? The relative speed between these two is equal to 36 minus x kilometers per hour. Subtract this. The relative speed is 36 minus x kilometers per hour. Now, so the distance traveled, therefore, just write the distance traveled. Distance is equal to 120 plus 80, that's equal to 200 meters. 200 meters is the distance traveled, right? By bus, t is equal to 200 divided by the relative speed 36 minus x, 200 by 36 minus x. So therefore 1 is equal to 200 divided by 36 minus x into 1000. So simplify this. That is, this 2 and zeros gets cancelled. So 2 divided by 36 minus x into 1 by, that is 2 by 10. Cross multiply. What you will get? 1 by, that is 1 is equal to 2 divided by 36 minus x into 10. So this is divided 0.2, you will get 1 is equal to 0.2 divided by 36 minus x. Cross multiply. 36 minus x is equal to 0.2. So if you cross multiply 36 minus x is equal to 0.2, that is 36 minus x is equal to 0.2. Interchange this. 36, this becomes minus 0.2 is equal to minus x becomes plus x. So therefore x is equal to 36.00 minus 0.2. If you subtract 0.02 from 36, what is the answer? We are going to get it as 35.8. So 35.8 is the required answer. So concluded, therefore, the speed of the bus is 35.8 kilometers per hour. That's it. Very simple. Very simple. See here. So the speed of the car is 36 kilometers per hour. Speed of the bus is, let us assume it as x kilometers per hour. The relative speed is 36 minus x kilometers per hour. Since the distance traveled is 120 plus 20 plus 120 plus 80, that's equal to 200 meters. Therefore, by bus the time taken is equal to 200 divided by 36 minus x. So 1 is equal to just divide by, this is time taken. So therefore here 1 is equal to 200 divided by 36 minus x into 1000, or if we cross multiply this, 1 is equal to 2 by 36 minus x by 10, that is 0.2. 0.2 divided by 36 minus x, cross multiply, 36 minus x is equal to 0.2, or 36 minus 0.2 is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 35.8 kilometers per hour. So the speed of the bus is 35.8 kilometers per hour, which is the required answer. That's it, very simple. Just find out the relative speed and substitute, you will get the answer as 35.8 kilometers per hour. That's it. Hope you followed. So these are few problems based on the speed, distance and the time taken. Very important for the point of examination. You may expect 1 5 marks questions from this. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.